Hey guys, it's Mr. Gualiardo. I'm here to show you how to do a Punnett square. I've been pretty bored recently, so I've been playing a lot of video games, doing a lot of outside stuff, and one of the things I've been doing is playing Minecraft, so I thought we could use some Minecraft sheet to illustrate this. So, what we're looking at here is a Punnett square. It's going to show a percent, which is important. It's a percent uh, of the chance of the offspring of a mother and father giving rise to a different allele. Okay, so the allele we're going to talk about here is sheep color. What we're going to do is our white sheep are going to be dominant and our orange sheep are going to be recessive. So what you do is you go over here, we have a big T and a little t. It's like a multiplication table, okay? So you take that and you take that, you type big T, little t. I'm going to blow that up for you. Okay, big T, little t. The same thing over here, big T, little t. Like I said, that's just me multiplying that by that. So we're doing each table, okay? And what we got going on down here would be this by that. So it would be little t, little t. Same thing over here, little t, little t. All right? We're going to blow that up and not do that. I'm going to blow that up. Do that. And do that. All right. So now we see we have a big T, little t, big T, little t, little t, little t, little t, little t. So the big T, which is the dominant trait for white, shows through. So we get a white sheep, and we get a white sheep. But now we have two recessive alleles, so we get an orange sheep and an orange sheep. Now if we go to the next one, same kind of idea, right? You'll get big T, because we're multiplying. Big T, little t, little t, big T, little t, little t, little t. Right? So we have three white sheep because we have two dominant alleles, so white. We have two that are big T, little t, but the dominant allele, the big T, is going to show through. So we have two white, three white, and we have a little t, which is orange. Okay. Last, we have all the mom and the dad both have alleles for big T, big T, big T, big T. So each one is going to be big T, big T. So we get 4 white sheep. All right. Important thing I want to talk about. Each time we do a Punnett square, it's for one child. So this child has this sheep child, this Minecraft sheep child, has a chance of being white 75% of the time. 1, 2, 3, 75%. And orange 25% of the time, because there's only one. When we go here, this child has a chance of being white 50% of the time, and this child has a chance of being orange 50% of the time.